Welcome to Indonyaki.
Proud to be entrepreneur.
My name is Roger San Luis, Operations Manager of Indonyaki Food Corporation. We started 2 years ago, and Indonyaki derives from the word, of course, Indonesia. It is an Asian-Indonesian cuisine. So Indonyaki, which means parang something like Indonesian fusion with some kind of a Japanese thing. So we usually prepare it right in front of the guest. As I said earlier, I used to work in Malaysia and Indonesia for a couple of years. So doon ko nakuha lahat yun. Although nag-modify ako ng konti, nag-tone down kami with the taste, pero andun pa rin yung originality ng yung mga fusion namin and flavors. Me and my partner originally, I have a friend, chef siya. So we collaborated with the dishes that we are going to prepare for this venture. And 2 years ago, nag-decide kami to put up one small business in Maginhawa. That is our first and only restaurant before. So many struggles, for example, how we need to start. Of course, so financially, that time medyo short. So since the projection is just like a small stall in Indonesia, they call it warung. So maliit lang siya, and as long as na-appreciate ng mga tao, yun, nag-start na kami sa napakaliit na lugar sa Maginhawa. We have so many specialties, but particularly the ayam goreng. This is the Indonesian fried chicken dipped with sambal sauce. It is a special mix of some herbs and spices from Indonesia. We boiled it and we fry it. Market-wise, medyo syempre yung character ng Filipino dishes medyo parang paulit-ulit. So I think kailangan maging unique ka para ma-part ka sa industry. Fortunately, we're able to present our food na gustuhan naman ng mga tao. As I said, yung uniqueness ng mga products as well as the service of the service staff. Also, marami kasi kaming twist dito. Nag-modify kami ng content. Very unusual yung mga taste na pinapresent namin. Pero marami rin siyang awig sa Filipino dishes. Meron kaming version of yung beef namin, parang pares siya ng Filipino. I feel so elated, of course, and I never thought at first that this will be gonna become not as big, but somehow marami siyang tao. Personally, I'm part of the gang type of person, so parang mas pangmasa ako. I consider myself as a tiger, matapang, and no matter what, we'll go and continue. Just be yourself and believe in yourself. Kailangan mag-take ng risk. Pag lagi ka natakot, minsan nag-aalala ka, for example, you don't have enough money to provide sa business na to. Pag natakot ka, walang pupuntahan. Pero pag nag-take ka na risk, yung balik, minsan, tenfolds din, bumabalik din. Nang sobra-sobra. Just be patient, have faith, and believe in your products. As well as you also have to trust your people. It should be a combine of everything to be a successful businessman, I guess. Hi, my name is Roger of Indonyaki. Proud to be entrepreneur.